Hello YouTubers. Alright, Jeremy here, Chaos Garage. Got a couple quick fabricators tips for you. Tech tips. Alright, let's do this one real quick. So, mill scale. Your material, mild steel, loves to put this nasty, rough, gross stuff. A lot of people don't want to see that on their finish when they go to paint it, and you don't want to have to break out a sander to try to do this. It would take a sufficient amount of time. Easiest and quickest way: 4.5-inch grinder, and you get the twisted wire brush. This guy makes light work of that stuff. So let's go over here to the vise. Let's see if I can get us set up. Hang on one second. Okay, got that set up. So, a couple pieces here, some flat material, round tube, and safety, guys. Always remember safety. We like to keep our eyes and our hearing when we're doing noisy stuff. So, alright, so round stuff. If you try to sand this or use anything too abrasive, it's going to eat the material away. But with this guy, watch your ears, guys, if you're wearing earplugs. See? Does not eat into the doesn't eat into the actual material, and cleans that stuff off pretty good. Doesn't matter if it's tubing, metal, whatever. Fair warning, it does take a little more effort to get it off the plate, but it does actually still do it. See? Alright, so if you're looking to get that mill scale off, go to the grinder. Got to get that twisted wire. This comes in a flat like this or cup style. So cup style being this kind of pattern, but in this case this was one of my fine ones. It's just straight wire. This will not get it. You need that heavy duty guy right there. It does stripping the best. Alright, so there you go. Little tech tip for getting rid of that nasty finish and making your life easier and your painter's life easier, or powder coater, whoever it is. Well, I'm Jeremy. This is Chaos Garage, and I appreciate you tuning in. So have a good day.